Amazon offers a treasure trove of innovative gadgets that blend functionality with fun, catering to tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. Among the coolest gadgets available are the Echo Show 10, a smart display with a rotating screen that follows you during video calls and while viewing content, and the TileMate, a compact tracker that helps you locate misplaced items using your smartphone. In this video, we will tell you 5 coolest gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 5. Capstone Connected Smart Mirror. The Capstone Connected Smart Mirror is a cutting-edge device that integrates the functionality of a traditional mirror with the advanced features of a smart display. This innovative mirror not only reflects your image but also provides access to a variety of digital applications and information, making it a versatile addition to any modern home. With a sleek, frameless design, it seamlessly blends into any decor while offering connectivity to the internet, allowing users to check weather updates, view their schedules, stream news, and even engage in guided workouts right from their bathroom or bedroom. Number 4. Fresh Air Purifier. The Fresh Air Purifier is a state-of-the-art device designed to significantly improve indoor air quality, making it an essential addition to any home or office. This advanced purifier utilizes a multi-stage filtration system, including HEPA and activated carbon filters, to effectively capture and eliminate pollutants such as dust, pollen, smoke, and harmful VOCs. Its sleek and compact design ensures that it fits seamlessly into any space without compromising on aesthetics. Equipped with smart sensors, the Fresh Air Purifier continuously monitors air quality in real time, adjusting its performance to maintain optimal conditions. Number 3. Dobot Magician. The Dobot Magician is an innovative, multifunctional robotic arm designed to bring industrial-grade precision and versatility to educational and creative settings. This compact and highly adaptable robot excels in a variety of tasks, including 3D printing, laser engraving, drawing, and picking and placing objects, making it an invaluable tool for STEM education and small-scale manufacturing. Its user-friendly interface and programmable capabilities via software platforms like Scratch, Python, and Arduino enable users of all skill levels to explore robotics and automation. Number 2. Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter. The Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter is a highly portable and user-friendly tool designed to enhance video production for both amateur and professional creators. This compact teleprompter attaches easily to most DSLR and mirrorless cameras, transforming them into efficient prompting systems without the need for cumbersome equipment. By using a smartphone as the display device, the Parrot Teleprompter projects script text directly in front of the camera lens, allowing presenters to maintain natural eye contact with the audience. Number 1. Couch Console. The Couch Console is a versatile and innovative accessory designed to enhance comfort and organization in any seating area. This portable console features a modular design that includes compartments for holding drinks, snacks, remotes, and other essentials, keeping everything within easy reach while reducing clutter. Its weighted base and self-balancing mechanism ensure stability on various surfaces, preventing spills and mishaps even on soft or uneven seating. That's all for now. And don't forget to like and share the video and follow us for more updates. Thanks for watching.